Attention viewer, you are watching the world's biggest monster truck diecast YouTube channel. This is Monster Jam OCD.
Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD review video. Today we are taking a look at Mix 7 of the 124 scales. Some stores have received these by now. These were due out for August 1st, but they are still appearing in some areas and have not appeared in other areas. But this is Mix 7, one of the final mixes of 2020. The next mix I review will be the final one, which is Mix 8. And as you can see, this Gravedigger is a little bit different than the ones we've had in the past. As you can tell, it has the dark purple rims. It also has the full flame wrap for the first time. I believe it's one of the first 124 scale Gravediggers to have the normal paint scheme with the full flame. I think Mix 5 also had the similar style flames. So anyway, it's not really different compared to the body styles of the past, but we do have these new purple rims to make it a variation to the other Gravedigger normal bodies of the past. We also had in Mix 6, the last mix, I'll put the review at the end of this video, we had the 30th anniversary green Gravedigger, and I did review that. And next time, Mix 8, we'll have the purple 30th anniversary Gravedigger. So we'll check that out next time. But here's this Gravedigger for this review. Like I said, the purple rims are the new feature of this Gravedigger. It has the BKTs. It has the same chrome motor, and the body is the classic Gravedigger style. And there's the hood there with the full flame wrap across all of it, and the headlights, of course. And then this side without the door panel, which is nice. I'll actually get closer here. So you can see the door panel is gone, and you can see the graphics have improved over time for Gravedigger. You can see they did add Kristen Anderson on the side there. It's visible now, so Adam, Ryan, and Kristen is on there. So it is nice to see it again with purple rims. I think the purple rims look really nice. But I'd like to see more Gravedigger bodies they haven't done in the 124 scales and also 164 scales into this scale. I would especially like to see the Fire and Ice Gravediggers, Zombie Gravedigger, and maybe 20th Anniversary Gravedigger in the next couple lineups. Maybe even Cole Vernard's Gravedigger would be nice to see. So anyway, there is Gravedigger, the first 124 scale for this review. And next up is the Northern Nightmare. So this is the first time we're receiving Northern Nightmare in the 124s for Spin Master. And they did a pretty good job with this. You can see it has silver or chrome beadlocks with a black inner rim, BKT tires, and a silver motor, which looks a little different than normal chrome motors. And you can see it has the pickup truck tooling with the slightly extended cab. It's very similar to the 164, but the 164 is a little bit smaller. So it's kind of an extended cab, but not fully. It has the Monster Jam logo. The tailgate here has Northern Nightmare with monsterjamcanada.ca. And of course, it is a black paint scheme. We have 2012 Freestyle Champion on the roof with the World Finals logo, the Northern Nightmare hood, and they fully wrapped the front here with the new headlight style, the grille, and the website again. And then this side has the same graphics. And another new 124 scale casting is the debut of the new Monster Mutt. And we have had the Monster Mutt Dalmatian in the past now from Spin Master. I have not reviewed that set, but I plan to do it soon, hopefully. But this is the new Monster Mutt casting, and it's absolutely amazing how they took all the detail of the actual truck and the render and made it into something of this detail quality. So you can see we have, of course, the fur around the mouth in light beige, and then we have the teeth all 3D with the super highly detailed, the gums and stuff are super detailed. Then we have these silver and red, well, the silver color like spikes here with the red collar itself painted on its own. And then we have the reflective metal Monster Mutt tag. And the tail, of course, as all Spin Master Monster Jam Monster Mutts have, they have a tail. And then we have Monster Mutt, the Monster Jam logo, the ears in motion again for the 124 scale, and the 164 scales have the same ears, but they are the Monster Mutt cut ears, which are really nice. And then we have the eyebrows, the scruff here of the fur, and the hair detail, the fur detail. You can see super detailed across the entire truck. The front here with the tongue, the nose, and the whiskers. And then we have these kind of reddish orange rims with a chrome motor. So this is a wonderful model. The casting is awesome. I hope they make it into Monster Mutt Husky 124 scale at some point, and I hope they go back and do Rottweiler and maybe even Poodle in 124 scale. I think Poodle would be very popular, but Husky is my favorite Monster Mutt, so I really hope they do make Husky into a 124 scale since they have the casting. So there is the Monster Mutt. And the last truck for this review is my personal favorite, my probably second favorite 124 scale they've made, because I do like the 30th anniversary purple, which you will see in the next review. This is the Ice Cream Man, Team Raising Cane Monster Trucks Ice Cream Man here for the review. And we have on this truck, the first main thing I want to point out, for the first time ever on any 164 or 124 model, we have the red beads with the blue inner rim like the real truck has. So that's the first time they're doing that. And we have BKT printing, we have a chrome motor, a blue chassis like the real truck has, and then a beautiful Ice Cream Man body, which is one of the biggest 124 scale castings I think we've had yet, next to Earthshaker, and which you'll see in the next video, the higher education as well. But this is an amazing casting. You'll also notice that they added the Amali Motor Oil sponsorship, which is something you'll see next week in my Mix 11 Reveal the Steel video. The Ice Cream Man from that one does have that now as well, but the previous 164 scale from last year did not have that. So that's a new feature, and it's nice that they finally got those sponsorships on there. So there's the Amali. We have Ice Cream Man with the ice cream splats, and then we have the hood here, the front grille, and the Caution Children is on there as well. We have this side with the stop sign, some more sponsorships that were not there previously. You can see the difference. There's 5 new sponsors: Amali, NGK, Wix. We have FTI and FK rod ends, and that was not on any of this Ice Cream Man. So it's really cool. And then, of course, we have the Ice Cream Man logo, the selections of the ice cream, and then we have the back here, tailgate, and this side as well. And it's really cool because you can actually see the graphics of all the ice creams on the real truck. They're actually licensed items here. You can see the Spider-Man, the snow cone, a lot of Blue Bunny ice cream advertisements. So they're so small, obviously they can get away with it, but that's really cool that they're actually licensed items that an actual ice cream truck would use, and the real life truck uses as well for its graphics. So with this 124, you can actually see a lot more detail than you would be able to see with the 164. So that is the 124 scale Ice Cream Man, and that will conclude the Mix 7 124 scale review. So I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I want to hear your guys' opinions. What is your favorite of this set for the 124 scale Mix 7 assortment? I really have to say Ice Cream Man is one of the top castings of Spin Master for the 124s of all time, and it's just so awesome to finally see this truck in a big scale. And I know a lot of people are actually looking for this year as a top 124. So I hope you guys again have enjoyed. Thank you all for watching. I will see you guys next time for my Mix 11 Reveal the Steel video. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. We have some pretty cool trucks coming up. And until then, this is Random Moss Jim OCD signing out.